Okay, scan. No. Just stay there. Once I start, they will ask to give your name to your that particular device. So that's why I need to start it first. Okay. Just scan it, Menti, stay there. So we have almost 15, 20, 30, 40, 50, 50, 60 people are there. So we have an odds ratio of winning the prize 1 in 5. अरे उभो जो बेसी नहीं गयो. And don't give answers to your neighbor. Otherwise, here the fastest and correct answer will be counted. Okay. And here I am not going to give much time. It will be only 15 to 20 seconds per question. अरे सर करो. ना. First we will load. Okay, now you will be looking at your screen which is now active and just give your name. Okay, 47 people are there. Very good. Roughly I estimated is 50. So I was correct in counting those attendees. Everybody ready? Given the name? So first question. That's okay, no problem. Mitul, you ask first question.
Who won the T20 World Cup 2024? India, Pakistan, England or New Zealand?
टेस्ट से पण काउंट થશે. This will be counted, sir. करो सर, लखो इंडिया लखो. हाँ पढ़ मोड़ा पढ़ा. Only see. There were only 32 people answered this time. See, out of 40. पर ध्यान रख जो next time. चलो. Okay. So I am going to next question. That's why this was a trial question. Okay, 45. 2 have left out. No problem. So the question is, which of the following clinical feature is a defining criteria for severe pneumonia in children according to WHO? Fever more than 101, respiratory rate more than 50 breaths per minute, chest indrawing or nasal flaring. Just click the correct answer. Which of the following clinical features defining criteria for severe pneumonia in children according to WHO? Subbu, Dr. Subbu. This was your question? That means you failed. Pardon? See, there are 40 people who have answered. मुझे खबर नहीं पड़ी सीधा. Okay. आइए वांधो नहीं. શું ફરક પડે છે? Okay, next. We have because 40 people answer out of 45. So maybe it is not showing there, but yeah, okay. Now everyone vote this time. So it should come that all voted. Okay. So here the correct answer is chest indrawing. Dr. Subramanian, anything else you want to add it? Okay, fine. Next. Now 42. Again 3 dropped out. 43, 44. Waiting. Okay, 44. Okay. Everybody ready? Fine. What is the most common bacterial cause of pneumonia in children under 5 years of age in India? Staphylococcus, H. influenza B, Streptococcus pneumoniae, Klebsiella pneumoniae, and you give, because we have given 20 seconds for this answer. I think everybody should vote. Yes. So here, see, everybody voted, or almost 44. Now everybody got it? Now you came, got? That is not in my hand. मेंटी के हेड को फोन करना पड़ेगा. Okay. Okay, next question. 46. Okay, one person more inspired to participate. Maybe Baldev bhai, sir? Okay, next. Which imaging modality is most appropriate for bedside evaluation of pneumonia in children? And options are CT, chest X-ray, ultrasound, or MRI. ज्ञान साथे गम्मत. Easy question. Will increase the confidence. No, I have not taken. Honestly. 41 got correct answer. Okay, fine. So ultrasound is now the most appropriate bedside evaluation. See, here we are learning also. So it's not just a participation, but everybody knows the answer. Good. I removed all the difficult questions of Baldev bhai, sir. Sir, manaj खबर ना पड़ी. Previously healthy 3-year-old child develops severe pneumonia with rapid onset, high-grade fever and respiratory distress. Blood culture is positive for MRSA. Which is going to be the most appropriate antibiotic? Vancomycin, ceftriaxone, amoxiclav, or linezolid? Now this question's answer only Raju can know. So he has left. So we will not discuss. So 44, everybody answered, right? Okay, so everybody learned the things very nicely. So Raju bhai was successful enough to teach you all this thing. Fine. Next. Question number 6. Which of the following is the most sensitive cardinal sign of clinical diagnosis of pneumonia? Fever, incessant cough, rapid breathing, or grunting? હજુ જોરથી બોલ. મને સંભળાય અહીંયા. અને એ ખોટું. She gives the correct answer and speaks out the wrong answer. So, rapid breathing is the most sensitive cardinal sign rather than grunting. Okay, this is for clinical diagnosis. Okay, fine. Next. Okay, ready. In a 5-year-old child, what will be the commonest cause of bacterial pneumonia? Mycoplasma, Staphylococcus pneumoniae, Staphylococcus pyogenes, or Staphylococcus aureus? Acha, answer 2. Press it twice. Okay. तो भी 5 जन ना कोटा पड़ा. Okay. Okay. Question number 8. Recommended dose of amoxicillin for non-severe community acquired pneumonia in our country is 40 milligram per kilogram per dose for 10 days, 40 milligram per kilogram per dose per day for 5 to 7 days, 80 milligram per kilogram per day for 5 days, or any of the above. Yes, so this is what was reiterated again and again, that still in India, we have to go for just 40 milligram per kilogram per day for 5 to 7 days, not more than that, even not 10 days or not a double dose. Okay, fine. So next question. 45, yes, everybody is playing, good. Which of the following drug is not to be used for mycoplasma pneumonia in 10-year-old baby? Boy. Beta-lactam antibiotics, levofloxacin, doxycycline, or clarithromycin? Not to be used. Yes. Yes, levoflox was one of the option. See, yes, you can have a macrolide group where azithromycin, now we are getting almost 50% resistance. Second option, usually we just discuss levoflox, but I think Jaideep said that like doxycycline, they are using more frequently, which we are worried about less than 8 years not to be given, but it was ultimately consensus was that the doxycycline doesn't cause much of the problem if you use it in as a second line also. Sir, anything here because you are not there at that particular time. This was the discuss. Okay, fine. Next. Question number 10. Which of the following is not a definite biomarker of necrotizing pneumonia? Neutropenia, thrombocytopenia, hypoalbuminemia or rising CRP? આ કોઈ ભણાવી દો હા મને પણ એવું જ લાગ્યું out of course. Okay, so the results have been seen here. Still 18%. Which of the following is not a definite marker? Neutropenia is not a definite marker. Is not. So thrombocytopenia, hypovolemia, and rising CRP, they are. No, I'll see. Check the answer. No problem. Next. That's Ken. Oh. Okay. You are not in a group. Oh, apre. See, the hopes are still alive. Last 4 questions, he can score every in 1 second. 3 questions. Mari pon. Okay, fine. Ready? Are you ready? Okay, fine. Direct line probe assay, LPA, can be done on which of the following samples? Any sample collected, samples smear positive for AFB, samples smear negative for AFB, or only on pulmonary sample? Okay, good. Samples smear positive AFB, only LPA should be done. Correct. Second last question. Air bronchogram is characteristics of bronchial asthma, bronchiolitis, bronchiectasis, or pneumonia. Air bronchogram is 35. See, fortunately, these are not been getting. That's why people are participating. So, see, Subbu sir, here we believe that 35 out of 100 is passing mark, not 50%. I know. Yes. એક કામ કરજો, એક ગિફ્ટ તો તમારી જ છે. એને છૂટી જાય. ઓકે ફાઇન. એટલે બહાર ભજીયા ઠંડા થાય છે. એટલે સરનો ક્વેશ્ચન ના આવ્યો? ના, નથી આવ્યો. બ્લુ કલરની સ્લાઇડ હતી કે ક્યાં ગઈ? જતી રહી લાગે. ઓકે ફાઇન. લાસ્ટ ક્વેશ્ચન. The diagnosis modality of pneumonia has high negative predictable value, may replace X-ray in children. Which particular diagnostic modality? CT, MRI, USG, or lateral X-ray chest? Correct. So I think we are at the end of it. So I think next is the leaderboard. એ આગળ પાછળ જઈ રહ્યું, ડોન્ટ વરી. હજુ કેમ? એક મિનિટ. Okay, so I'll request Dr. Subramania and Dr. Baldev sir to come on the dais to give away the prizes. Hey, Dr. Subramania is winning. Yes, yes, you come and give it. Come, come, come. આમાં યાર એક that she will get it. What's your name? Huh? Pranjal Jain. Okay. 10th will be like Subbu sir's prize will go to Pranjal Jain. So there'll be one person who is the fastest. But may not be all correct like that. Okay, so Dr. Sunita Trivedi Dalal. બરાબર ભણી છે એકદમ ધ્યાન રાખીને.
Next she will be faculty.
હા, અમૃતા ઠક્કર કાંજાની, કાંજાની ઠક્કર કે ઠક્કર કાંજાની. બલદેવભાઈ સરના હાથે એમને પ્રાઇઝ મળશે, કારણ કે ટુ ગેટ ધ અપ્રેઝ ફ્રોમ બલદેવ સર ઇઝ અ હ્યુજ થિંગ. અમારે 30 વર્ષ ત્યાં નથી મળ્યું હજુ. And here comes the Mehta family. Mehta couple. Come together. We will save the time. બંનેને એક એક આપી દો. ના અંદર પેલા ગોલ્ડ કાર્ડ છે, 10 ગ્રામ ગોલ્ડનું પેલું, એટલે સાચવીને રાખજો. ડોક્ટર હાર્દિક શાહ. અચ્છા હાર્દિક, અચ્છા another Hardik is there. Yes. Hardik, you are resident? Yes. Where? Sola. Very good. Good. Congratulations. Oh, મૂકી દે અંદર. ના ના આઈફોન જ છે. ડોક્ટર યશોધર. હવે બધા એક જ ટેબલ ના આવશે. બાજુ બાજુ બેઠા હશે ને. Yes, Dr. Yashodhar. Congrats. Again, you are resident, right? Good, good. Dr. Montu? બે જણ સાથે આવવાનું જેવું છે? કેમ એવું? કે Dr. Jarna is there? Okay, come, come. But one by one. You have participated from 2 different devices, right? હા તો મોન્ટુ કેમ નામ શું છે તારું? હા તો મોનિકા મોન્ટુ ઉર્ફે મોન્ટુ. That's okay, no problem. You didn't give the name, no? You couldn't rename. Okay, fine, no problem. Hey. Dr. Jarna. Dr. Jeel Shah. Yes. Practicing pediatrician also can claim the prize. Yes. We are proud of you also. And Dr. Pranjal, you can come ahead. Come. No problem. This prize has been given for your enthusiasm to participate till last. सुब्रमण्य सर, आपका प्राइज जा रहा है वहां पे. हाँ, हाफ ले लेना. हाफ गोल्ड बिस्किट है ना, आधा ले लेना. Thank you all. Thank you all. Let's go for samosa.